Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.
The Central Bank of Kenya is located within Nairobi City along Selassie Avenue. It has embarked on improving pedestrian safety and comforts along the avenue. These will also improve security and general street feel among other aspects. CBK has already noted that well-designed streets are a critical element of a safe and efficient mobility system all over the world. At present, Nairobi is facing the challenges of increased mobility, hence congestion, pollution, insecurity, and road safety risks, especially for pedestrians. And this is the reason why CBK has embarked on improving Selassie Avenue and Aga Khan Walk to address the comfort, safety, convenience for all street users while retaining the current lane configuration that vehicles use. Aga Khan Walk stretches all the way from Selassie Avenue to City Hallway. It crosses the Harambe Avenue. Some notable buildings along this stretch include Kencom House, Reinsurance Plaza, Electricity House, and the headquarters for Cooperative Bank.
Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.
Hello everyone. As you know, Nairobi was initially known as the Green City under the sun, and most of the activities happening in Nairobi are going to make Nairobi a great city. Welcome back to Shifting News, a brilliant channel which is on the ground to bring you amazing views and create great shows that are touching on different cities, countries, and personalities that are changing the way we live. In this video, we are going to showcase the views along the Aga Khan Walk and see what the changes are happening. The renovation are being taken by the Central Bank in order to change the appearance of the walk. Be sure to watch this video until the end. Enjoy the views, like it, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to ensure you receive all the updates once we upload a new video. Thank you and continue watching.
Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift. Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.
The Aga Khan Walk is a nice place for you to relax while you are visiting Nairobi City. As in the area we are, most of the time is used as a parking lot during the weekdays. But over the weekends, most of the time you'll find there is what we call the skating teams. So you'll find more people skating at this area as they relax. And the renovation of the Aga Khan Walk is still ongoing. And most of the places there is flowers that have been grown. And it will be a nice place for one to relax during the time when you visit town. So we believe this is going to make Nairobi a great city that will be reckoned in Africa and worldwide. And this is another way of boosting tourism. And we hope that Nairobi is going to overtake most of the cities in Africa and become a city where everyone will want to live. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like this video, comment, and click the notification bell to ensure you always receive all the updates we make. Thank you, and until the next video, see you.
Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift. Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.